Come on. Look in your eyes, there's no stopping me. I want the brown sugar crack on top of me. Don't want your style.
Try one without anything on it.
What is this?
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip. We're at OAKGLEN. We're gonna pick some apples, but we're gonna grab a bite first. Ooh, that's good. And we got some onions. But they said what?
Don't pick and choose and then pick.
There's definitely worms in these apples.
Why do you say that?
Because they're fresh. This one looks good. Wow. Use your stick, use your stick.
I'm trying to find a good one.
Wow. Let's take a look.
It's a good one, no worms. Ooh.
These are different.
Ooh.
Ooh. My lord.
You know what? I think you got a green apple.
We picked some apples. This is what they look like.
I got this one. This is a good one. Look at that.
We're gonna try to press some cider, but they don't know if it's open today. Hopefully they are. Ooh,
That's really good.
Look, look. That's a dinosaur.
Can I pet it?
No, you can't pet it.
Google, can you pet an emu?
Oh. Can you feed him?
Yeah.
Can you feed him?
Come on. My bad. There you go, buddy. Did you see the other?
Had to do an outfit change. I was getting very hot. The weather lied because it said it was gonna be like low 70s, but it feels like it's like 80. 80. What'd you do? Oh, yeah. Picked out some tomatoes.
We're not gonna really eat them. It's okay. Just get them out. They're gonna take it back to the nest.
One's not alive and two is alive. I'm scared.
Excellent.
They're about 2 o'clock. They don't have to stay here. You know what? They know if they're mean.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
It's easier. It's easier if you keep the inertia.
Yeah.
You don't have to go too fast.
And do you want a cup of it right now? Yeah. So bad. I will drink it.
Go back to the go forward.
Helicopter, helicopter. Oh.